The TikTok Shop affiliate program is literally broken. It's blowing up and people are literally printing money. And today I'm going to give you 5 tips to make $1,000 per day with the TikTok Shop affiliate program. Now, if you don't believe me that this is possible, right here's a screenshot of a student of mine who did $3,000 in one single day. And in the last 7 days did just shy of $10,000. And in the last 30 days has done just over $20,000. So this is the exact blueprint. These are the exact steps to hit $1,000 every single day. Let's get into it. So let's dive right into it, cut the fluff and BS, and give you that first tip on how to make $1,000 a day with the TikTok Shop affiliate program. Now, before, do me a favor, please subscribe to the channel, drop a comment, show some love. And that first tip that I want to give to you is got to be one of the most important, yet one of the most obvious, and that is taking massive action and uploading more videos. It's kind of common sense that the more that you upload, the more potential you have to make money. And I see a lot of people come to me and they're like, hey, how do you get results? Or how are you seeing the success that you're seeing? Or how is your student doing $1,000, $3,000 per day? And the answer is simple: putting in the work, taking massive action and uploading more than what you're currently doing. So instead of uploading 1 or 2 videos, try to upload 5, try to upload 10, try to upload 20. There's no such thing as uploading too many videos. And so that is the first and biggest tip, is you need to take advantage of this opportunity. It's literally a gold mine. And while it's here, take advantage of it. Stop wasting time. Stop watching Netflix. Stop scrolling. Stop whatever you're doing. You're wasting time. Instead, capitalize on this gold rush and upload more videos. So that's the first tip. Now, jumping to the second tip, and that is creating viral videos. If you can master this one skill, you literally have unlocked the blueprint and you have unlocked the treasure chest of all of the gold inside of it. And so there's 2 parts to a viral video. The first is the hook. If you can create a hook that grabs people's attention within the first 1 to 3 seconds, you are going to absolutely crush it. But if you are boring, if you are just basically don't have a hook, people are going to see it and they're going to scroll right past it because their attention spans are like a goldfish. And so you need to do whatever you can to grab their attention. And so there's a lot of different strategies when it comes to hooks. And one thing that I love to do is I love to learn from the top creators. There are creators that are making, we're talking hundreds of thousands of dollars every single month from this program. So instead of trying to figure out how to do things myself, why don't I just learn from what is working? And the way that we do that is with a software tool called CaloData. I have a link down below where you guys can get a massive discount. Take advantage of this because this tool is not only going to help you find these viral videos, but we're also going to dive into later tips. We're going to be using this tool as well to find winning products. Just a little spoiler alert. But let's come over here and I'm going to show you how we're going to find the top videos and the top creators so we can learn from them. So again, we're not trying to reinvent anything. We're not trying to come up with something new. We're trying to figure out what's working and how can we turn that into our success. So we come right here to CaloData, we come to the video and ad, and we get to see the top performing ads and the top performing videos. And what did they do with their video? And so basically what you can do is you can come right here and you can be like, okay, let's watch this video. Why is it performing so well? Why is it generated? We're talking $484,000 in revenue in the last 30 days. What did they do? Well, let's watch it and let's see what we can learn from it. And once you watch it, you can see their hook, you can see their video, and you can then basically take that video and create your own concept or create your own video that's similar to it. Whether it's the same product or maybe it's a different product that you can incorporate with this style of video, this is the secret. So again, we're not trying to come up with anything new. We're not trying to invent anything. We're just learning from the top videos. And again, you can scroll and you're going to see pages. I mean, look at that, 92,000 pages of 10 per page. Like, endless video options that you can go and learn from to learn hooks and what they're doing in their videos. So that's the first tip of the second tip. The second part to a viral video is you've got to create engagement. You've got to get the end user, the person watching your video, to engage, whether that's liking or commenting or sharing it with a friend. And the best way to do that is there's 2 ways. Number 1 is creating controversy. Doing something that people are like, what are you doing? You're crazy. You're an idiot. Like, Negative comments are actually really good because it creates just this crazy influx of comments in the comment section, and people start battling each other. People start questioning you. People are like, what are you doing here? What is this? So if you can create some sort of controversy, whether it's good controversy or bad, everything is good. So the more comments that you can get, the better. And so what people will do is they'll post a video where they have one sock on and they don't have a sock on the other, or they will purposely misspell things, or they will purposely say things to just make people mad. They will intentionally get you riled up so that you comment, and they're doing that strategically. So as you're going through the videos, you will notice what is the controversy that they're talking about, or what is the thing that is driving the comments to go just bonkers. All of the best performing videos, all the top creators, all the people that are crushing it, making $1,000 per day, they're getting loads of comments in their viral videos. So again, creating controversy is a huge key point to that point of viral videos. The second part of getting more engagement, it is creating call to actions. So a simple idea that you guys can do, and this is what I did in one of my videos and it performed really well, is I was promoting this golf chipping kit. And basically I made a stupid video and I just said, hey, tag a friend who sucks at golf. That's all I did. And every golfer that sees that, they've got a friend, they're like, oh, this guy sucks at golf, I'm going to tag him. Or, oh, I'm going to tag him. And then they start going off in the comment section, going back at each other. They're like, oh, I'm better than you, or, oh, you suck, or this. Like if you can get people to tag a friend or to get that engagement going back and forth at each other, that is literally the recipe to success. So those are two key components to creating viral videos, is the hook, and then creating engagement with controversy or call to actions. And then also call to actions of, hey, click this link and get it today on the TikTok shop. They're running a flash deal. You can get it 20% off. Highlighting and saying, hey, you're getting a great deal today. Make sure to use these coupons. Those call to actions are crucial. So that is the second tip, viral videos. There's a lot to unpack with that. And again, Callow Data, I'll put the link down below. You guys can find the top videos, and then you can also come right here and you can find the top creators. And you can learn and you can be like, okay, how is this person doing $1.4 million in the last 30 days? Well, click on them and go watch their videos and study. This is literally the key to success, is learn from other successful people and turn their success into your own. So that is tip 2. Now, jumping into tip number 3, it is find winning products. There are a few criterias or a few things that I'm looking for when it comes to a product that I'm going to actually make a video about. We want to use our time as wisely as possible, and it makes zero sense to make videos for garbage products. And there are a few key components on what makes a winning product. The first is, does it actually have sales history? If nobody is buying it, well, the chances of you trying to make a video and promote it without any basically proof of concept, it's going to be an uphill battle. So find a product that is already selling. And I like to find products that are doing anywhere from like 500 to 1,000 plus orders already. And that means like, hey, if they've been able to sell 500, 1,000 units, well, I know I can make a video and I can sell some more. So that's the first thing, is you've got to have a product that actually sells. The second thing is a high in-stock rate. This literally displays on the TikTok listing itself how many units are left in stock. And if they only have 5, 10 units or 20 units, well, that sucks, because if you make a viral video and you make videos like I just talked about and you are cranking them out and you're successful, you're creating these hooks and it goes viral, well, they're going to sell out. And if they only have 20 units, well, as soon as they sell out, well, you're toast. You're not making any more commissions. So you want to find products that have 100, 200, 500, 1,000 plus units in stock, so that when a viral video hits, you are not at risk of basically losing out on all of these commissions because they run out of stock. So that is a huge, huge selling point, is high in stock rate. The next thing that I'm looking at is, does the product have good reviews? If they have good reviews, then it's going to make it so that people don't return it, people actually like it, and it's just easier to promote a product that is good. It's self-explanatory. And then the next thing that you need to look at is, can you make a viral video of the product? If you can't, then don't worry about it. Move on to the next product. But if you can take a product that maybe relates to you, you use it or you understand it and you're like, oh, I can make this video about it. Or you saw a video from another creator make a video and you're like, oh, that's simple, I can do that. That is, again, the recipe to success. You've got to find products that are easy to make videos about and products that go viral. And if you can do that, that is seriously, it makes your life so much easier with the TikTok Shop affiliate program. And what I like to do is I like to use Calodata. Again, I'll put the link down below with a discount for you guys. I like to use Calodata to find these winning products. So right here, as you saw, we were able to find the top videos, the top creators, and you can also come right here and you can come to a category that you're interested in, that is related to you. So let's say you're into women's wear, you're into health, or you like doing makeup and perfume tutorials, or whatever the case is. For me, let's say sports and outdoors. This is a category that fits me. You can come right here, click on the category, and you can find the top products inside this category. And so again, instead of going in and just hoping that a product is selling well or doing well or whatever, you can literally get the data and you can find the best products. Now, I have a complete A to Z tutorial on finding products and going more into depth, and I'll link that in the description down below. But this is huge. And again, using Calodata to find those, and you can come right here to the products tab and you can enter in filters that have high revenue, that have whether or not it's an actual affiliate product. That's another key component is don't make videos if you can't actually tag the product and make affiliate commissions. That's obviously common sense, but it has a bunch of different filters where it will allow you to find the best products. So the third tip, finding winning products, and that is going to, again, help the second tip with viral videos, because if you make a viral video and you have a good product that has a high in-stock rate, good reviews, it's just a domino flywheel effect. So that's the third tip. Tip number 4 is make multiple videos per product. This is an underrated strategy, and if you already have the product, we might as well make a second, third, fourth, fifth video about that product, especially if it is doing well. So for me, if I make a video and if it's doing good, then I am making a second and third video very quickly after. And the reason being is if you have a viral video that's going well, what you do is you look at the comment section and you see what people are asking, or they may say, hey, what about the size, or what about this, or does it work with this, or they may have a question or concern or something about the product that you can literally make a reply to comment video. And what that does is it gives you an easy way to make a second video, and then that video is going to go into the comment section of that viral video. And so this viral video is getting tons of views, tons of comments. And when people go to the comment section, they see that second video, they may see a third video that you made about that product. And that is going to boost that second or that third video that you made. So making additional videos on products that are already going viral and that are already performing well is an underrated strategy. And I love doing this because, again, if it's selling well, why not make more videos to make it sell even better? And the fifth and last tip, I'm a little hesitant to even share this with you, but it is leveraging and using ad codes. Basically, what this allows you to do is every video that you make, you're going to want to copy the ad code and send it to the brand. If the brand ends up using this ad code and promotes the video, which they basically take it and use their money to boost your video, it's free money. And this is one of the best ways to generate extra commissions, because if you already made the video and if it's already doing well, the brand wants to make it do even better. And so they'll actually boost it and they'll put money behind it. And again, that's just a money printing machine. That's a golden nugget. Not enough people are leveraging ad codes, but literally copy and paste that, send it to the brand, and they might use it, they might not. It is definitely worth sending it to every single brand that you do a video for. So those are the 5 tips. And I do want to throw in a quick bonus for you guys. I appreciate you guys watching. If you guys enjoyed, like the video, subscribe, drop a comment. I'm going to come over here and we have an amazing community that is going to provide additional value and resources to help you grow and scale your TikTok Shop affiliate business to that next level. And good news for you, it is only $5 per month. I'll put the link down below. We have thousands of members. We have courses, for example, showing you how to get your first 5,000 followers. We have the TikTok winning product formula course. We have the Amazon Influencer Foundations course. We have how to scale. We have courses that are going to help you really build an actual business with the TikTok Shop affiliate program. and it's all for $5. So if you guys want access, click the link down below. You guys can get signed up. Again, it's $5. I was thinking about charging $50 or $100 per month, but I wanted to make this as affordable and as accessible to every single person because this opportunity is unbelievable. So click the link, get signed up. I'm excited to have you inside this community, but make sure to take advantage of those 5 tips and start taking massive action and go out there and grab this opportunity by the horns and leverage it. Take advantage of it because what's in front of your feet is unbelievable. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed and we will see you in the next one.